What's up guys, Michael here today with another video unboxing, actually it's already unboxed, and talking about quickly a slow juicer. So I'm not sure if you're aware of masticating juicers, but these are very slow juicers that provide a really nutrient juice out of any kind of vegetable or cruciferous veggies, leafy greens as well. So this is a really good juicer because it doesn't create the heat itself. So the main kind of part that's smashing all the fruits and veggies, it basically is rotating or spinning at a very low RPM, so it's something around 60 to 80 RPMs. Generally the juicers you'd see on the market, it's probably something around 2000, so that's why sometimes you can have a kind of brownish apple juice. It's not that kind of a fresh taste as well. So me and my wife decided to buy a masticating juicer and give it a shot. This one is purchased from Amazon and it's Aicok AMR 521. It's a very simple juicer. It's a very low price at 80 pounds around, roughly 100 euro. And so I just want to go through a couple of things. I just unboxed it, so I just want to go through the stuff that it has inside the box. And probably make another video on how to make a nice juice or how it actually works, okay? Probably a long review along the way too. But anyway, let's have a look at what it actually contains. So the box contains a couple of kind of recipes, I guess, some instruction, warranty cards. They have 2 years warranty, so that's really good. Two kind of containers, okay, one for juice, another for pulp. And then we have kind of the main engine of the juicer. It's not that heavy, around 2 to 3 kilograms. Okay, you can actually press on a button here and unlock the main part and the filter, so you can see all the kind of parts. They all come apart, not too many parts, maybe 5, 6 at most, and you can really take it apart very quickly, so it seems. Yeah, that's a filter. Main thing, smashing all the fruits and veggies. So again, super easy to clean. I probably advise on cleaning that straight after making a juice. It's going to be much easier, okay? And you're going to avoid the mess. So again, put it all together. Should be fairly simple. That's it. And the main kind of guard up here. So the way I understand it, the main part is moving. Fruits are coming in, or veggies. The filter is filtering through the juice, and the juice kind of coming down into a lovely container. The pulp, hopefully a dry one, we'll test it, will come out in front, and everything's gonna go here. So that's it really, locking here, very simple. Has really nice rubbery legs here as well. I'm not sure about the noise, but we'll have to test it, I guess. Let me know if you have something similar, if you tried it, do you recommend it? Again, these type of juicers usually quite expensive, around 300 to 400 pounds or 400 to 500 euros. I'm not recommending it yet. I'm not sponsored as well. I bought it from my own pocket. But we'll give it a go and probably give another kind of a long-term review of that juicer. Anyway, if you like that video guys, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.